Alright, so in this video I'll tell you how to solve this OLL case from two different angles. Now you can either do both of the cases or you can learn one, whatever is convenient for you. Alright, so the first way that you can solve this OLL case is by setting up your cube like this. So you just need to do a U so that this case looks like this, where this block is on your left and it begins from the top left corner. Alright, so to solve this case from this angle, you just have to do M prime and then do an anti-zoom and then reverse the setup moves, that is U prime M, and this solves your OLL case. Alright, so another angle that you can solve this OLL case is by doing a U2. Alright, so it looks like this, and then you can do F sexy F prime, and I hope you are familiar with this case. You just need to do U and F sexy F prime, and this solves your OLL case.